Once upon a time, in the small town of Willow Springs, there lived a curious 10-year-old girl named Mina. Mina loved exploring her house, filled with secrets and stories from the past. One day, as she tiptoed into the dusty attic of her grandparents' house, she stumbled upon a peculiar yet captivating find, an old, worn-out backpack. It was brown, a little ragged, with patches of colorful memories sewn into its fabric. When Mina ran her fingers across the patches, a tingle of excitement shivered through her spine. She knew this must have belonged to her great-grandfather, whom she'd heard thrilling tales about. Unable to contain her curiosity, Mina carefully unzipped the backpack. To her astonishment, a swirl of colorful lights burst forth, enveloping her, and she found herself standing barefoot in a magical meadow. It was not just any meadow. Everything around her was incredibly vibrant and full of life, flowers blooming every shade imaginable, and butterflies fluttering in the prettiest patterns. Over time, Mina realized that each time she opened the backpack, it was like turning the pages of a magical storybook that took her to dazzling new worlds. One particular day, without hesitation, Mina unzipped her grand backpack again, eager for another adventure. This time, however, something was different. As she stepped into the new world, she noticed a strange absence. The world was draped in grays and muted tones. The skies were dull, the fields barren of color, and even the lakes shimmered without their pristine blue hue. Mina's heart sank a little as she wondered what had happened to all the beautiful colors. As Mina wandered through this world, she came across a wise old owl perched on a lonely tree. The owl blinked slowly, its large eyes meeting Mina's. "I see you've arrived in the land of lost colors," the owl hooted softly. "To restore the colors, you must solve the riddles of kindness and courage. Only then will the hues return and paint this world anew." Mina nodded, determined to bring back the colors. The wise owl presented her with the riddle of kindness. "What can you give that will always be received, shared without losing it, and spread warmth without touching?" Mina thought hard, scrunching her nose in deep concentration, suddenly smiling as the answer glowed in her mind. "A smile," she exclaimed. The owl nodded approvingly, and a gentle warmth spread across the meadow, leaving a soft blush upon it. Next, the owl posed the riddle of courage. "What shines through darkness, diminishes fear, and grows stronger the more you share it?" Mina pondered the wordings, then clapped her hands with delight. "It's hope," she declared confidently, feeling the truth of her words in her heart. With Mina's answers, a vibrant ripple spread through the world. As if touched by an unseen artist's brush, blues, yellows, reds, and every imaginable color cascaded across every corner, saturating the land with beauty.